Hey everybody, this is Jack McPhail, astrophotographer. Since we officially just moved on to the Explorer tutorials, there's 3 options to pick for using Explorer. Before we hop onto the tutorial videos of how to use Noisex, we're going to use 2 proper ways on how to use Noisex. First, you might get to use Blur X first, and then you could use a Noisex. Now let's hop on to the tutorial videos and how to use a proper way, and there's 3 steps of using 3 difference of noise. Here is a raw data image of a horse head and a flame nebula. First you might get to use a Blur X first and then a Noisex. And you might get to click here to the Blur X. So let's just wait until when you reach 100%. Once it's already sharpened, you could close it, and now you get able to move into the Noisex. And there's 2 different options. Without it, it's just a denoising and just a levels. With this, it can have like a denoise colors, and then this here too. And also, with that, it has other things that I could get rid of the walking noise a little teeny bit. I decided to pick a denoise colors right here, and I picked these setting modes. All you do, you just click a run Noisex, and it just did that by their own. Just like that, it officially just got bright enough for having a low with a noise. Here's without a Noisex. Here's what with it. Here's the difference without a Noisex with noise. This is before, after, and you can see the big difference about with using a Noisex. So this is how you use a proper way about using a Noisex. Now let's show the difference between of using the first Explorer and then the second Explorer. If you use a Noisex and an Explorer, it shall look like this. It can easily show up the sharpened walking noise. If you really want to try to get looking like this, it gives you like a clean noise background. This is it of a little tutorials of how to use an Explorer tutorials. And thank you guys for watching my YouTube videos of tutorial and how to use a proper way of Noisex. So I will see you in the next YouTube videos.